As companies struggle to find workers, you may have noticed signs like these popping up, offering a new perk: work today, get paid tomorrow. It's a concept that seems overdue in today's fast-paced world, but now it's taking off among a group of people, workers, who are often targeted by predatory lenders.
We enable people to see how much money they're earning as they work and access that money as they earn it instead of waiting for a traditional company scheduled payday.
Jeannie Walden is the Chief Marketing and Innovation Officer for DailyPay, one company offering this next-day pay service. So how does it work? They partner with companies to allow workers to withdraw wages hours after their shifts and before payday. It's a website or app that makes it easy to put money right into your bank account or however you pay your bills. But it comes at a cost. We're talking a few dollars for each transaction. Now, if you only heard some of these details, you may ask, isn't that a payday loan?
That's an evil question. We're not a payday loan company because there's nothing to repay. With DailyPay, as you work, you earn money. As you earn money, that money is yours.
Keep in mind, it's also not a payday loan because there's no interest. It's important to point that out because Arkansas outlawed them about a decade ago. DailyPay frames it more like an ATM fee. Still, take a look at some of the major employers DailyPay partners with: Kroger, Dollar Tree, Pizza Hut, Target. Some companies do pick up the transaction costs, but you may notice a similar trend. This service is aimed at lower-income earners, much like payday loans.
I think that DailyPay can work both ways. It can be good for some and bad for others.
Arlo Washington is a banker on a much smaller scale. He's president of People's Trust Community Loan Fund, looking to stake projects and people in places where there aren't a lot of banks.
If you don't have good money management skills, then it could put you into a debt trap.
Washington's concern is financial discipline.
There are very few low and moderate income families that have access to financial education.
If you ask DailyPay, they say their service can help people facing tougher financial situations, especially when it comes to things like avoiding costly overdraft and late fees.
Imagine if you didn't have those anymore because you could take the money that you needed when you needed it.
And while Washington says caution is needed, he adds that services like these could provide an important lifeline for people who do need better access to their money.
And I think for somebody that's doesn't have financial literacy, it's a bad deal. But if you have financial education and you can manage the DailyPay, then I think it's a good thing.
We would love it if everybody could get their money without having to have any expense at all. And I think that, there's an opportunity for us to all figure out.
For 11 News Investigates, I'm Rolly Hoyt.